What's going on, beautiful people? This is Brandon with Brandon Reviews. Today we're going to be here reviewing the November package for Threadbeast. Threadbeast is a subscription clothing company that puts together a bunch of different outfits and items for you every single month and sends it to you for a discounted price. I'm currently at a plan where I pay $85 a month, and every single month consistently after I check every item, I'm seeing that these items come up to about $260, $275-ish, and I'm only paying $85. Something that I've learned about myself is that I hate to go shopping. I am a simple dude. I will walk in Macy's, find some stuff on the clearance racks, and I'm good. But that just kind of shows that my style is like the same thing and I'm pretty basic. So I wanted to outsource that work. And no better way to do it is just to have somebody else pick out your clothes for you and send them to you, especially when you're getting good deals. And that's what I love. I love getting good deals. Hopefully you like getting good deals too. So let's see what we got here for the month of November. All right, so again, the package is 85 bucks. You can subscribe through the link in the description. And if you like this video, don't forget to like it and also subscribe. So let's see what we got here. All righty. Boom. All right, let's see here. So first thing we got going on here is some Champion socks. I'm noticing that they have an endless supply of Champion socks. I think I've gotten like 3 pair in the last 3 months. It's fine. You never can go wrong with some good quality socks. I guess I just can't wait until it gets warm again, even though I haven't had any really a place to go to show these socks off because they're all different colors and things. So, you know, just looking for an opportunity to really get out there and live. You know, I think we've all kind of just tired of being stuck in the house. We got clothes that we haven't worn and we want to go look nice to go be around some people. I don't know. So let's see what else we got here. All right, so this brand is called WESC, and that's We Are Superlative Conspiracy. All right, there's nothing really on the back. So this is just a basic white t-shirt, you know, it's cool. Can't complain about it at all. And then we got, let's see, Staple Pigeon. Now this is a really good quality t-shirt. It's pretty thick, so this will definitely be lasting a while. Even if the staple doesn't last, the t-shirt will be still in pretty good condition. But here it is, you know, just got the little logo here. All right, so next up, and okay, just to go over those prices, the Champion socks are probably around 10 bucks. The We Are Superlative, oh my goodness, why can't I say that? Superlative Conspiracy, those shirts are around $38, and then the Staple Pigeon is around $30. Next up, I have Quicksilver Waterman Collection. All right, so this is a button-down short sleeve shirt, I believe that, yeah, short sleeve button-down shirt. And a shirt like this will run you around about 68 bucks. All right, let's see here. Never can go wrong with a pair of good old drawers. Yes, I said drawers. So these underwear are really comfortable. One of the things that I've noticed about PSD, if you were to go to their website, they've got like some really cool, funny underwear. So if you wanted like Magnum Man black and gold boxer shorts, boxer briefs, you can get that. They've got like anime characters, all type of stuff. I don't even know. But go check them out. Definitely a cool brand. I've got another pair that was sent to me before that they're NASA. They're just really cool. It's got like space stuff all over it. You know, it's stars and planets and stuff. All right, so in this package, this is Zach brand. This is another, well, this is a pretty thick bomber jacket that they sent. this is actually pretty good. Again, definitely looking forward to seeing how it fits. And a jacket like this, and you'd be very surprised. It kind of looks like it would be more than what it is, but a jacket like that, honestly, it's only like 35 bucks. Who knew? And last but not least in this package of clothes are a pair of Volcom pants. Let's see. These would run around about 58 bucks, but you know, just a nice pair of black pants. We'll see how they fit in just a minute. And let's see what we got. Let's see how they look, because you know, that really tells the story right there. All right, catch you in a few. All right, beautiful people, this is the Staple t-shirt, Staple Pigeon t-shirt, and the material is good. I like how it fits. It's a little boxy, I guess I kind of want to say, in the shoulder areas. Made me feel like I'm wearing like a shirt with shoulder pads or something, but you know, that's not going to stop me from rocking it. I'm sure it'll get more relaxed after the first wash, but you know, I feel like it fits pretty good. And oh yeah, and I got the pants, the Volcom pants on. These fit pretty good. Very right on point with the sizing. I wear 38 and these fit like these are true 38s. Unlike the Levi's that I wore in previous videos that were like pretty tight mom jeans. But yeah, no, this works. I can mess with these. All right, so I got the Superlative Conspiracy t-shirt on. Now that I have it on, this one might not get as many wears just because it's really on the tight side. You know, I'm really not feeling all these brands that feel like they need to do like the European sizing or something. I don't know what it is, but definitely, unless it's like supposed to be a slim extra large. The last shirt was an extra large, like that was normal. This right here is like an extra small, extra large. I don't know what it is, but it is what it is. You know, it happens every once in a while. And this is probably like the second time that I got a t-shirt that was not true to the size that it should be. I don't know, but yeah, this is not gonna get too many rocks out of me. I am trying to work it out, but yeah, I'm not into like the whole tight t-shirt thing, all like that, unless I get like a 12 pack. I don't know, we'll see. Not counting on it. All right, so now I got on the Quiksilver shirt. It looks a little weird, but I think I like it. I think I like it a lot. I don't know. Definitely can see myself wearing this on the beach somewhere, like Mexico, Dominican Republic, who knows? You know, some nice little white linen pants or something like that. Get my little Uncle Barbecue sandals with the toes out and everything, you know. Who knows, we'll see. But this is this shirt, you know, it fits pretty good. I'm comfortable with the way it fits. So definitely gets a thumbs up on this. So far, the only thing that I have an issue with is the one Superlative Conspiracy t-shirt. Everything else so far has been a winner. Not gonna try on the underwear, not gonna try on the socks right now. I mean, they're underwear and socks. You know, it works. Last but not least is the bomber jacket by the Zach brand. Yeah, this fits really well. It's another jacket I have to add to my closet. I probably have more jackets than I need out here in LA, but you know, it is what it is. Definitely got some stuff to rock with this. If you like any of the clothes that you've seen in this video, by all means, please follow the link below in the description and go ahead and subscribe to Threadbeast today. I'm pretty sure on your first package, they're gonna really hook you up. So, by all means, like this video, Leave a comment if you have any questions that you'd like for me to try to answer for you. Also, by all means, subscribe to the channel and stay up to date on the next video that I do for ThreadBeast. Or take a look at my channel for any of the other videos that I might have available for you to view in regards to subscriptions, electronics, and anything else. See you soon.